When you hear the name Timex, you probably think of affordable quartz watches, weekend beaters, or maybe even the iconic Iron Man. But what if I told you Timex now makes a nearly $2,000 titanium Swiss automatic designed to compete with brands like Oris and Longines? This is the Giorgio Galli S2Ti, and honestly, it might be the most ambitious Timex ever made. To understand why this watch matters, we need a little context. Timex dominated the affordable watch market throughout the 20th century. After the quartz crisis in the 1980s, the brand focused almost entirely on quartz watches, building huge success with durable, accessible models and innovations like Indiglo. But then, in 2017, Timex returned to mechanical watches with the reissue of the Marlin. That opened the door to a growing lineup of automatics, including the Expedition and Waterbury collections. Then came something completely different. In 2022, Timex's chief creative director, Giorgio Galli, introduced the Giorgio Galli S2, a Swiss-made, luxury-oriented Timex with minimalist European styling and a Sellita automatic movement. Now, the new S2Ti takes that concept even further. This watch is built almost entirely from titanium, giving it a lightweight but premium feel on the wrist. The design keeps the open-worked case sides introduced on the original S2, but now adds forged carbon inserts within the mid-case for extra texture and visual contrast. The case measures 38 mm wide, 12 mm thick, and has a 46 mm lug-to-lug. But because of the bezel-less design and expansive domed sapphire crystal, it actually wears larger, closer to a modern 40 mm sports watch. And the finishing here is surprisingly impressive. You get a mix of brushed surfaces, polished accents, and a highly sculpted case design produced using titanium metal injection molding, a manufacturing process usually seen on much more expensive watches because it allows for extremely intricate shapes. The high-domed sapphire crystal completely changes the profile of the watch. Without a traditional bezel, the dial feels wide open and modern, while the titanium rayout underneath creates the illusion of a floating dial. Even the crown gets attention to detail, with deep knurling and a subtle spiral engraving on the end. But one of the coolest features is actually the bracelet. The titanium bracelet uses Timex's new iSize system, which lets you remove links completely by hand. No tools, no screws, no frustration. You simply slide out the locking section under spring tension and remove the link in seconds. Honestly, it's one of the smartest bracelet systems we've seen at this price point. The bracelet also features quick release functionality, making strap changes easy, although the titanium bracelet itself is probably the best option. Now let's talk about the dial. Unlike the previous black-dialed S2, the S2Ti uses a monochromatic titanium dial that perfectly matches the case and bracelet. The look is minimalist, clean, and very modern. There's almost no unnecessary text. The polished silver hands stand out nicely against the matte titanium background, and the simple minute ring keeps the whole design balanced and elegant. Inside the watch is a Swiss Sellita SW200-1 automatic movement, with a custom black-coated rotor visible through the sapphire caseback. It beats at 4 Hz and offers a 41-hour power reserve. The Giorgio Galli S2Ti is limited to just 500 pieces worldwide and priced at $1,950 or euros. And yes, that sounds expensive for a Timex, but this watch clearly isn't trying to compete with entry-level Timex models anymore. It's Timex proving that it can play in the luxury space, and honestly, the result is far more convincing than many expected. So, what do you think? Would you spend nearly $2,000 on a Timex if it looked and felt like this? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more watch reviews and luxury watch news.